KOMU8 News starts now.
The president's push to require more vaccinations brought protesters to the state capitol today. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jordan Berger. Thanks for joining us. Today, the House Judiciary Committee held a public hearing on the possible vaccine mandate. KOMU8's PEYTON HEADLEE spent the morning at the Capitol, where state business and healthcare leaders spoke out against forced vaccinations. She joins us live outside the Capitol now. PEYTON?
Just last night, more than 50 Republican lawmakers signed this letter and sent it to President Joe Biden. It says the authority to impose a vaccine mandate is non-existent and asks for legal justification for the mandate, which they later say doesn't exist. And those feelings carried over today in a hearing. Protesters on the steps of the Capitol, inside the rotunda, through the halls, and in the hearing room, all for one reason.
I'd like to hear from all sides about their thoughts, their impressions, and on the issues involved in mandatory vaccination mandates.
The House Judiciary Committee heard from multiple people representing business and healthcare interests, all against President Biden's federal vaccine mandate.
Missouri Chamber does indeed believe that the COVID-19 vaccination is the pathway to full economic recovery for our state.
Kara Korches with the Missouri Chamber of Commerce said a mandate will only hurt the economy.
We believe that vaccination policies should be left to the employers to make those decisions.
And this was a common theme.
That this mandate will drive away our staff to a point of catastrophic numbers.
It simply squeezes the balloon and employees go in other directions from the 100 and over employees.
Most of the Republican-led committee supported the comments. Democratic Representative MACKEY was the only member to push back.
So you're not vaccinated, you haven't given much thought to masks. I'm just curious what you've done throughout the pandemic. And you are fond of chirping on about personal responsibility. What have you done during the pandemic as an individual to stop the spread?
How is that relevant to the mandate?
I cut him off. I'm going to cut you off.
Absolutely.
That line of topic.
Governor Parson has said he is considering calling a special legislative session to challenge the vaccine mandate, but there was no talk of a special session today at the hearing. However, they did say that today was just the first of many hearings just like today's. Reporting live in Jefferson City, PEYTON HEADLEE, KOMU8 News.